Let us draw a regular pentagon without using a ruler. We take a long strip of paper and wind it to create a knot. Okay, we get a knot. We tighten the knot as much as possible and we fold the paper. So we get a shape that resembles B-2 bomber. Don't fly the bomber, just fold it to get a regular pentagon. So we fold a side and then we fold other side. Now we need to draw that pentagon on our, so we use a pen and draw a side, two side, three side, four side, and then five side. So we draw a pentagon just without using a scale.